In Somalia, Al-Shabaab militants killed at least 15 people Monday in a raid on the headquarters of an Islamic clergyman. Ugandan crews have recovered bodies from Lake Victoria after a boat overturned in poor weather on Saturday, killing more than 30 people. The Democratic Progressive Party of Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen lost all but 6 mayoral and county magistrate seats in voting Saturday. It was the first electoral test for the party since she took office 2 years ago. And Monday marks the 10th anniversary of the Mumbai terrorist attacks, when gunmen killed 166 people in a series of raids over 3 days.